Having a clean and professional way to deliver your photos to your clients is a must-have if you want to look like a professional and legit photographer, and PicTime will help you do that. What's up? This is John from John Branch 4 Photography, and if you're new to the channel, I'm a wedding photographer and content creator. I've been shooting weddings for 6 years now, and one of the biggest things that stands out for me with photographers is how legit your business looks when you first start. There's a lot of people out here using just @gmail.com emails and also delivering their photos through like WeTransfer or Dropbox, and that's great that it works, but it doesn't look professional. The solution for delivering your photos is using an online gallery service like PicTime, which gives you nice, full galleries, which also makes it easy for your clients to purchase photos, and it just looks good. So today, let's go over a quick overview of what PicTime is and how it can help you out. So again, PicTime is an online gallery service. The best part about PicTime is that they put you, the photographer, at the front of their business. Not only do they want to be able to deliver photos to your clients well, but they want you to make print sales. That's a huge focus of theirs. Not only do the galleries look amazing, but they also have automations to help you with your print sales as well. So let's go ahead and look at this layout. So this is the main homepage of PicTime. On the left, I can see my different galleries. On the right, I can see any workflows I have going on. Workflows are great for having your clients select photos or build their own albums, or even proof the spreads of your albums. And in the center, I can see activity and how my sales are going. On the bottom left, I can also get to different sections of PicTime. Let's go ahead and start out by looking at client galleries. So in client galleries, I can see all the galleries I have currently uploaded to PicTime. I can also jump inside of a gallery and make further changes to that specific gallery. When I'm in a gallery or setting up a gallery, you can change your settings, upload your photos, upload a cover photo for the gallery, add any sale automation apps, and share the gallery with your clients. Let's preview this gallery real quick just to see what our client will be seeing. Yet again, as you see, it's a great presentation for them to look at, and they can also easily purchase their own products. Let's go back home and take a quick look at the sales and automation section. In this section, we can see all the apps that we currently have running and also add new apps if we want to. The automation apps are probably one of the best new additions to PicTime, and they've been updating it a lot recently. One of the most recent ones that blew my mind is one by Sam Hurd, where he talks about having your clients purchase the archiving of their galleries online, which is just a stupid good idea, and I don't know why I never even thought about it. Shout out to Sam Hurd because he has great ideas. Aside from being able to see our automation apps in this section, you can also see your cart, orders that have been made, and visitor list to your galleries. This is a great way to collect emails of anyone else who's actually visited the galleries. Last but not least is your settings section, where you can go in, manage your account, add your logo, and many other options. So that was a quick look at PicTime. If you all have more questions about it, leave it down in the comments below, and I'll go into more depth about PicTime and how to use it. But I absolutely love this service. It is amazing, and it has made me a bunch of sales since I've been using it. I also have experience with other services like ShootProof, so if you want to see a comparison between the two, let me know and I'll be happy to do that as well. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more information like this, and I will catch you all next time. All right, peace.